Jeez, what's wrong with you? You almost killed Fire back there. Are you undercover? Is Roulette blackmailing you? Talk to me. Ah! Ah! You've got worse than that coming. Ah! Ah! Better call the League in on it. Terrific.
What's going...
Thanks for saving us the trouble. We really appreciate it.
How was I supposed to know you'd snapped out of it? I mean, I couldn't be sure. They've had you up every night working the arena. No wonder you've been fighting like a girl. You know what I mean. Don't remember, do you? You did that to her.
No way.
Where do you think you got that burn? It wasn't your fault. They must be using some kind of mind control technology.
Grods.
Wherever it comes from, that stuff's a little too efficient for my taste. Your earpiece was wrecked in the fight. We can't phone for help. Yeah, I think you're right. The League comm links. That must be how Roulette was controlling you. If she dies, Roulette, I'm taking you down hard. I promise you that.
Now, why would I let such a valuable commodity die? On the other hand, you two aren't under my control, which means I'm going to have to eliminate you. In the ring, of course. Why just snuff you when I can sell tickets and lay odds?
You're scum.
No, my dear. I'm an entrepreneur. Let's face it. With some A-list heroes to do the jobs, your deaths will net me millions.